Look, I just studied a 1,000-page textbook in 2 hours. And if my professor finds out how I did it, I'm probably getting kicked out. But you know what? I don't care anymore. Someone needs to know this. Okay, so here's the thing. For years, I was that student pulling all-nighters, studying 8 hours straight, and still bombing my exams. I was exhausted, stressed, failing, until I accidentally discovered this method that universities literally refuse to teach. And I'm about to show you exactly what I did. But warning, once you see this, you can't go back to studying the old way. All right, first secret. When I opened that 1,000-page book, I did something that sounds absolutely insane. I didn't start on page 1. Actually, I didn't even read most of the pages. Wait, hear me out. Here's what nobody tells you. Every textbook, about 70% is filler. Examples you don't need, repeated explanations, fluff. So I created what I call the skimming code. First, I only read chapter summaries. Then I scanned for bolded words and definitions. Then I looked at the first and last sentence of every paragraph. And this part changed everything for me. The first sentence tells you the topic, the last sentence gives you the conclusion. Everything in the middle? Usually just explanation. I cut that 1,000 pages down to about 200 pages of actual important information in 20 minutes. The craziest part? I retained more than when I read everything word for word. But okay, reading faster is cool, but how did I actually remember everything? Because that's the real problem, right? You read something and 10 minutes later, it's gone. So here's where it gets weird. I turned my bedroom into a storage system for information. I know that sounds crazy, but stay with me. Your brain is insane at remembering locations. Like, you can remember where every item in your room is, right? So I use that. I picked 10 spots in my room. My desk, my lamp, my door, my bed, whatever. Then I attached one chunk of information to each spot. So like my desk became chapter 3, cell division. My lamp became photosynthesis process. And when I needed to remember, I literally just closed my eyes and walked through my room in my mind. Every single fact came flooding back because my brain already knew those locations. Universities don't teach this because it feels like cheating, but it's not. It's just using your brain the way it was designed to work. I memorized 300 terms in 30 minutes using this. Now, those 2 tricks alone would have been enough, but I did one more thing that completely changed everything. And honestly, this is the one I probably shouldn't share. Most people study by reading, reading again, and then they wonder why they forget everything during the exam. Here's what I did instead. I tested myself before I even studied. Yeah, you heard that right. I grabbed practice questions, old exams, anything, and I tried to answer them without knowing the material yet. I got everything wrong. But here's the insane part. When I then went to study, my brain was like a sponge because I had already identified the gaps. My brain was hungry for those answers. It's like, imagine trying to solve a puzzle without the pieces. You get frustrated, right? But the moment you get those pieces, you remember exactly where they go. That's what this does. I learned in 2 hours what normally takes people 2 weeks because I wasn't just passively reading, I was actively hunting for answers my brain already wanted. I went from failing with C's and D's to straight A's in 1 semester using this exact formula. 1,000 pages, 2 hours. I know it sounds impossible, but I just told you exactly how. So here's my challenge. Try one of these methods before your next exam. Just one. And then comment below what happened. Because I promise you, once you see how fast you can actually learn, you'll never go back. Now go. You've got studying to do.